Ever wondered why there aren't more estate sales in the city? I haven't figured that out either, so I'm super excited for this sale in Logan Square. An estate sale without having to leave the city? Yes, please. A couple is off to Spain, leaving behind a collection that tells stories of parties, cooking experiments, and homemade keggers. Yep, they love to brew. Think room and board and crate and barrel furniture, sectionals, beds, and coffee tables that can actually survive a gathering. But the real gems, a faux ivory camel bone chess set, an Ardmore ceramics teapot, and hand-sewn quilts that look like they belong in a museum. Faux Hermes and Louis Vuitton scarves make an appearance here too, because sometimes it needs to look like the real thing, even if you can't quite afford the real thing. And then there's the jewelry, sterling, vermeil, turquoise, pieces that feel like they've traveled the world and decide to stop over in Logan Square, just for you. So come on by, explore, shop. Who knows? The best thing you take home might not be even something you plan to find. The Estate Edit runs through Sunday, Logan Square, and be sure to follow along with Picardy as we explore the best estate sales.